Hello viewers and listeners, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can compress any video using an Android phone. Okay, so there are main applications that are available on the Google Play Store, which anybody can download and use, but one of the best and effective application which can be used for compressing any video is Panda Video Compressor. That is one of the best and effective application that is available on the Google Play Store. So just go on your Play Store and then you download the application called the Panda Video Compressor. Okay, so after you download it, you just open it, and then so I have the application in my phone, this one. Okay, so that's Panda Video Compressor. So I want to show you how this application is powerful in terms of converting in terms of compressing videos. Okay, so let me show you an example of how this application is powerful. Right, here we go. So just get this application from the Play Store. So I have I want to give an example of this video, which is a 74 megabyte. I think you can see it, right? This one. So I want to compress this video. Okay, so let me do it. So here you just choose the output. I mean the type or the output of the file, whether you want it whether you want this application to retain the original resolution of the video, or whether you want a small size, or whether whatever. But it is recommended that you just compress the video if you want to retain the resolution of the video. If you use this option, your video will never lose its original resolution. So you just pick this option. Even though if you pick this option, this application will compress your video to a very minimum size. Let me give an example for this video. So you pick large file, just compress, and then you click the compress button here. So let's wait until it's finished compressing the video. Okay, so now it's almost okay. It's now almost. Yeah, so I think it's done. Okay, so if we compare these two files, the file that I compress is a 74 megabytes, but you see that it has been compressed until it become a 23 megabytes. I think you can see it. So you can see that even the resolution of the video has never been changed. Just get this application from the Google Play Store and then check it out for yourself. You see that what I'm trying to emphasize here is true. This application is very efficient, it's very effective in terms of compressing the video. Compressing it. So after you have compressed a video, you just click save. Okay, the save button here, just click save and it's done. Okay, so I think this is how you compress a video using Panda Video Converter. So I think, yeah, it's quite very simple. Okay, thanks for watching the video.